Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Chrysler Pacifica LX, stock number E2237A. 40,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check Historybr report. We sold this Pacifica brand new, dark Cordovan in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seat 7, cloth interior. Stow and go seating allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera. Deep storage wall behind the third row. Lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks in the backside, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is very easy. Can of course fold them in any combination, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Body is free of dents or dings. High back bucket seats in the middle row. Recline. Have hooks in the seats for latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This LX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, easy to operate radio, you can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, compass display, 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Hard keys for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect media devices. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Pacifica has the 3.6-liter V6, 287 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon and the city average of 28 on the highway. All that with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.